I spent over $1,000 last year on high-end, beautifully packaged serums, convinced they would finally eliminate the persistent texture and redness I'd been struggling with for years. But the results were non-existent. My skin looked exactly the same. So I took every single one of those heavy glass bottles and cleared them completely off my vanity. I replaced them all with one highly concentrated formula that costs less than a decent cup of coffee. That single, unassuming bottle sitting on the bottom shelf of your local pharmacy disrupts the economic logic of the entire luxury skincare industry. We are constantly told that a healthy complexion requires a massive budget. We see the celebrity endorsements and the designer logos, and we assume that a higher price tag naturally indicates a more potent chemical formula. But the biological data tells a different story. Millions of people share this exact same frustration. You walk into a high-end beauty store, drop $200 on a sleek, designer-marketed serum, and carefully apply it for months. You wait for the transformation promised in the ads, and you see no change. You end up blaming your own genetics, or you assume you just need to buy an even more expensive product to see a difference. The luxury beauty counter relies on a concept known as marketing over molecules. When you buy a luxury product, the majority of the cost covers the frosted glass, the heavy metal dropper, and the celebrity advertising campaign. We are psychologically conditioned to trust the packaging. We equate the weight of the bottle in our hands with the power of the ingredients inside, even when the chemistry doesn't support it. The financial model of the luxury beauty industry depends on a specific vulnerability: the complexity of ingredient lists. If consumers could easily decode a chemical breakdown, the high-end market would face a massive crisis. Brands often bury 1 or 2 active compounds under 20 lines of scientific-sounding filler, banking on the fact that we will trust the brand name over the actual concentration. A high price tag is often a manufactured illusion designed to sell the feeling of exclusivity rather than biological skin health. Once you strip away the fragrance, the dyes, and the synthetic texture modifiers, you are left with a startling truth. The cost of production and the price on the sticker have almost no correlation with how a product interacts with your cells. The exact active compound found in a $150 designer serum is often sitting completely unnoticed on the bottom shelf of your local pharmacy. You don't need a luxury membership to access it. You just need to identify the specific concentration of the molecules involved. The compound in question is a low molecular weight ceramide complex. In human biology, ceramides are the essential lipids that hold your skin cells together. When your skin barrier is damaged by sun exposure or pollution, these lipids deplete, causing dehydration and irritation. Replenishing them is the fundamental biological requirement for barrier repair. This animated diagram shows why many luxury formulas fail to penetrate the skin. On the left, you see a designer formula. Notice that dense cluster of large gray particles surrounding the tiny active molecules. These are heavy filler ingredients, usually silicones and texturizers, added specifically to give the serum an expensive, silky feel on your fingertips. When this formula hits your face, those dense filler particles physically block the active ceramide molecules. Because these silicones are too large to absorb, they create a film across your epidermis. The active ingredients end up sitting on top of that film, where they eventually evaporate instead of passing through the skin's surface layer. Now, look at the right side of the diagram. Drugstore formulations often skip these expensive texturizing agents to keep production costs low. This leaves the active molecules isolated. Because the massive silicone roadblocks are missing, these compounds bypass the surface layer, dropping straight down into the tissue where cellular repair actually occurs. If you are tired of paying for packaging and want to understand the actual science of your products, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We strip away the marketing so you can stop wasting your money on fillers. Drop a comment below if you've ever suspected that your most expensive products weren't actually doing anything. Skin transformation is a result of efficient molecular delivery. It does not matter how rare an ingredient is if it physically cannot enter your cells. When a formula prioritizes a temporary, artificial feeling on the surface, it is often working against the very biology it claims to help. The biological potency of a formula remains theoretical until it is correctly integrated into a physical routine. Even a perfectly concentrated chemical compound is rendered useless if the application process is flawed. If you apply these ingredients incorrectly, you are essentially wasting the chemistry. This infographic breaks down the routine required to maximize absorption. In the morning, 2 drops help defend against environmental stress. At night, 3 drops support the cellular repair that happens while you sleep. However, the volume of the serum is secondary to the state of your skin during application. Warning tone. A common mistake is washing the face and then towel drying until the skin is completely parched. Applying a concentrated ceramide complex to dry skin halts the absorption process. Without moisture present, the glycerin in the formula cannot bind correctly, leaving the chemical reaction to stall on the surface. Water acts as a necessary delivery vehicle. When skin is damp, the epidermis functions as a permeable sponge. This damp environment creates a biological pathway, allowing the active compounds to move deeper into the tissue. The moisture provides the osmotic pressure needed to pull the ingredients past the skin's defensive outer barrier. There is another critical conflict to avoid: layering this serum with high-percentage chemical exfoliants or strong retinols in the same step. These aggressive acids lower the pH of your skin so significantly that they can neutralize the molecular structure of the ceramides on contact, effectively canceling out the benefits of both products. The barrier to entry for a healthy complexion is a rigid application protocol. Without it, even a massive beauty budget cannot override the physics of skin absorption. Success is found in the method, not the price point. We have to align our expectations with biology. For the first cellular turnover, notice the visible results line stays flat through week 1 and 2. The visible transformation begins here. Upon hitting the week 4 mark, a line curves sharply upward as repaired cells travel to the surface. This is when the cumulative effect becomes apparent. The skin barrier is completely reinforced and the texture smooths out. It requires maintaining the routine when nothing seems to be happening. There is a final, frequently overlooked step that acts as an efficacy multiplier. Applying a basic, thick moisturizer immediately after the serum is essential. You do not need a luxury cream for this. A simple, inexpensive pharmacy brand works perfectly to seal the treatment. This heavy moisturizer creates a physical sealant. Once the active serum has moved into the damp skin, the cream forms a protective layer that prevents evaporation. This forces your skin to utilize every molecule of the treatment throughout the night. When you understand the chemistry of delivery, you no longer have to rely on expensive branding to achieve results. By focusing on active concentrations and correct application, you allow the science to handle the repair. If this breakdown changed how you look at the beauty aisle, please hit the like button and subscribe for more evidence-based tips. I want to know your experience. Share in the comments the most you've ever spent on a product that didn't work. Understanding skin chemistry replaces the need for expensive branding. When you look past the packaging, a healthy complexion simply becomes a highly predictable result of science, rather than a privilege for the few. Skin health is no longer a luxury, it's an accessible reality.